LangGraph implements a streaming system to surface real-time updates, with the stream method enabling iterative access to execution traces. This method supports multiple modes, including debug, which provides detailed insights into graph execution by yielding comprehensive state and metadata at each step. The upcoming code snippet demonstrates how to initialize a graph stream with a specific topic and configure it to output debug-level information, allowing for granular observation of the graph's operational flow.
For chunk and graph stream. Topic, ice cream. Stream mode equals debug. Print chunk.
This code demonstrates LangGraph's debug streaming mode, which provides detailed execution traces for graph processing. The stream method is called with stream mode equals debug, enabling comprehensive logging of the graph's state transitions, node executions, and intermediate values as it processes the input, topic, ice cream. The debug mode is particularly useful for troubleshooting complex graph workflows, as it surfaces internal execution details that aren't visible in other streaming modes like values or updates. Each chunk in the iterator contains rich diagnostic information, including node names, state deltas, and timing data. This approach trades performance for observability, making it ideal for development and debugging scenarios rather than production use. By iterating through the stream and printing each chunk, developers can trace the exact flow of data through the graph, identifying bottlenecks or unexpected state changes. The debug mode complements other streaming modes by offering the most granular visibility into graph execution, though it should be used judiciously due to its verbose output and potential performance impact. Let's break it down.
For chunk and graph stream.
Iterates over chunks of data produced by the graph stream method. The loop processes each chunk as it becomes available from the streaming operation, allowing for incremental handling of the graph's output rather than waiting for the complete result.
Topic, ice cream.
Creates a dictionary entry with the key topic and the value ice cream. This represents a simple key-value pair where the topic is explicitly set to ice cream.
Stream mode equals debug.
Sets the stream mode to debug for enhanced logging and diagnostic output during execution.
Print chunk.
Prints the value of the variable chunk to the standard output. This is a simple debugging or logging statement that displays the current content of chunk during execution. Debug streaming in LangGraph transforms real-time execution traces into actionable insights by exposing the graph's internal state transitions through an iterative interface. The stream method, when configured with stream mode equals debug, yields granular chunks containing node executions, state deltas, and timing data, effectively turning the graph into a transparent pipeline. Each iteration processes these chunks incrementally, allowing developers to observe data flow without waiting for full completion. The trade-off is deliberate: verbose output and reduced performance in exchange for deep observability, making it ideal for debugging complex workflows. By printing each chunk, you're essentially instrumenting the graph to reveal its operational DNA, node by node, step by step, while the input, topic, ice cream, serves as the test case driving this visibility. The pattern here is simple yet powerful. Stream debugging turns opaque graph execution into a traceable narrative, where every chunk is a chapter in the story of how data transforms through the system.
The graph vomits node states like a drunk oracle, spilling secrets it shouldn't know.